Mike Masco joins us with the latest science stories making headlines right now. Give me some good information, Mike.
Yeah, well, Kelly, we'll talk about this new report out today that says that mankind's need for the land and resources combined with hunting and poaching are causing our wild animals to die out at an alarming rate. The authors of this report compiled data on over 10,000 animal populations, and they've found that nearly half has been disappearing over the last 40 years. The biggest drop in population included tigers, leatherback turtles, and the African elephants, declining at rates of over 60% in the last 40 years. Now, the global picture is worse for freshwater creatures, such as river fish and mammals, which saw a 70% decline from 1970 to 2010. Now, the main threats to wildlife were due to human interaction and that humans are using resources faster than the planet can provide for us, which is the biggest cause for this concern. We'll continue to watch this story. Unusually warm water temperatures over the North Pacific have created quite the concern as to how it could impact and affect our native species of fish to that region. Now, the Gulf of Alaska, Bering Sea, and Southern California are the target water regions, which continue to run 5 degrees above normal over the last few years. NOAA says this is one of the longest stretches on record. Marine biologists say species that do well in cold waters are starting to die off already, and they continue to discover new species further north than ever before. And finally, let's go to the South Pole, which is currently shattering new records. Antarctic sea ice has grown for the second straight year, baffling scientists which are trying to understand why the South Pole is increasing while the North Pole continues to lose ice. NOAA reports that over 19 million square kilometers of sea ice exists, the highest amount found in over 30 years. Some say maybe this is the polar vortex of the South Pole being stronger than ever before. However, many are saying there's a lot of holes in that theory. While the South Pole's increasing in size, the North Pole reported the 6th lowest ice coverage since 1978 when we started tracking this with our satellites. Those are just some of the top science stories making news today, Kelly.